Brennan. Go ahead.
No, that's for you.
Good job.
Which one wins what? Push it forward.
Ta-da, here's the water. There's no water yet, buddy. Come on, buddy. You got the water. What water?
What I have to pour it?
I'll get it.
I want to.
Thirsty.
So we pour all that water inside?
Maybe that's good enough. Okay, let's try to blend it in.
Okay. Yeah.
No, hey, kitty. Look. Whoa, cool.
Here, kitty.
Hey, kitty.
Go on and drink.
Ah, yummy water. Delicious water. Wow, this works really cool. You like it, guys? He loves it. There you go. That fountain works really well.
Never turn off.
Is that good? You like it?
No, not that way. Not that way. No, you never get it wrong. Ah, there.
You like him? Hey, don't pet him backwards. This way, like this.
It doesn't like two people patting it. I'm sorry, cat.
Yes,
Go downstairs,
so-
boys, if you're done with your buddy nutty. Buddy nutty.
It's called Nutty Buddy. Buddy Nutty.
Hey, Mrs. Bridges. Hey, Mrs. Bridges. Do you like your cat, Peter? Hey there. Hey there. I'm making your water fountain.